Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So we do have a newly revealed spoiler for the BoxyCharm Standard March box, and we also have the theme. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was on Jaclyn Hill's side from a non-subscriber. Congratulations. I hope I say this right. Is it Emily Sander? Anyways, Emily says, hey. Well, hey, Emily, honey, how are you doing? Thank you so much for having your bell on and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You'll have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. Never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first, I'm going to reveal to you the BoxyCharm March theme. It is pretty edgy. I do love this theme. I think it's really neat, and I can't wait to see every single item that's going to be in these boxes. And now let's go ahead and dive into the spoilers for the standard March BoxyCharm box. So first I'm going to reveal to you what we already knew about, and then I'll show you the new one. All right, so first up, you know you're going to be getting that BoxyCharm Charmer eyeshadow palette. Now guys, this looks absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to see everybody's reaction. I want to see reviews and everything. I want to see how good they got this formula. Now next up is the Pharmacy Beauty, the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Wow, that's a mouthful, y'all. Then next is the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. Now in the picture it shows French Lavender, and I believe there was a different kind. I'll put it up here. I don't know if that's going to be just for one of the other boxes, that there's only 2 variations, or the variations are going to be for this one too. And then is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. And then last but certainly not least, and this is the new one, y'all, this is the Becky Cosmetics Ultimate Lip Definer. Cute. Pretty sure there's going to be shade variations for that. Not really sure. But as soon as I find out anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Summer Breeze Young. Summer says, hey, Mandy, I'm glad you got something straightened out. Good to see you. Sending prayers for nothing but good. Much love. I have no hate for Jaclyn Hill, but I don't have to support her either. Not trying to talk crap either. Just no trust. Summer Breeze Young, I couldn't have said it better myself, honey. Thank you so much for a classy opinion. And I really appreciate you watching my videos, honey. Thank you. Love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, please double check. Make sure you're still subscribed to my channel, because you know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for some unknown reason. But if you would double check that, and if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. Scroll on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.